Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quick kimchi. Start with the right cabbage. Napa cabbage is perfect for quick kimchi because it's tender and absorbs flavors beautifully. After cutting it into manageable 2-inch pieces, you'll salt it for about 1 hour. This crucial step helps remove excess water, ensuring your kimchi stays crisp. Remember to rinse the cabbage very well after salting, then drain it thoroughly before moving on to the next step. Now, let's create that signature kimchi paste. You'll need gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder, along with minced garlic and fresh ginger. A splash of fish sauce adds a deep umami flavor. For a hint of sweetness, consider adding a small amount of sugar or even a grated apple. Finally, mix in some sliced green onions and shredded carrots for extra crunch and vibrant color. This is where the magic happens. With clean hands, gently massage the flavorful paste into your prepared cabbage and other vegetables. Make sure every piece is thoroughly coated, ensuring a consistent taste throughout. Take a small taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary, perhaps adding a pinch more salt or a touch more sweetness. Then, transfer your freshly mixed kimchi into an airtight container. After mixing, let your kimchi sit at room temperature for about 1 to 2 days to kickstart fermentation. This develops its complex flavors. Once it reaches your desired tanginess, transfer it to the refrigerator. This will significantly slow down the fermentation, keeping it fresh. Quick kimchi is typically best enjoyed within 2 to 3 weeks. It's wonderful as a side dish or added to stews and fried rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.